Friends, imagine having a pile of data and numbers that you need to present, but you're stuck staring at spreadsheets. You know the information is valuable, but it's just not visual or engaging. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're exploring venngage, an AI-powered design platform that transforms complex data into professional infographics, reports, and charts. No design experience required. You describe what you want, and the AI generates structured layouts based on actual design best practices. Guys, we're going to create data visualizations and complete marketing reports that actually communicate. We'll use AI to generate charts, build infographics, and even run accessibility checks to make sure our designs meet professional standards. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, before we start building, let me quickly explain what makes venngage different. This platform combines AI-powered design tools with an accessibility checker that runs real-time audits for WCAG compliance. It's trusted by companies like Google, Airbnb, and the New York Times. You get thousands of templates, over 4 million royalty-free icons and images, and you can export in multiple formats, including PNG, PDF, PowerPoint, and accessible PDFs. Now let's see how this works in practice. Mates, we're starting with the AI chart generator. This is in the chart section where we see a prompt input field. I'm going to ask the system to create a clear bar chart with specific data for the last 3 months. I click Generate, and the system selects templates that match our request. The chart opens in preview mode, and we can see this diagram right here. We can customize it, and we can make quick adjustments to what we're seeing. For example, guys, by clicking the Refine button, I can ask AI to shorten, elaborate, make it more professional, or fix spelling and grammar. Or I can enter a more specific prompt about what I want. And in AI Designer mode, working like a chat, it will make the refinements I request. And there's the change. Now the text is more professional and concise. We can also apply a free brand kit to use corporate colors, for example. I can switch to this style or this one, and it's created very quickly in a professional manner. If I don't like these styles, I can browse others. Or using the AI Designer, I can tell it to adjust the color scheme for better readability through the chat interface. Mates, it also offers edit and customize options for the color palette and provides instructions on how to do this. Or we can use the color schemes it suggested from the beginning. I can also tell it to change the website to the one I need, and it does this quite quickly as well. Everything was done perfectly with the data we provided. Folks, what's really powerful here is how the AI understands context. When I asked for a professional business chart, it automatically selected appropriate fonts, spacing, and visual hierarchy. The data labels are positioned correctly, the axis titles are clear, and the overall composition follows design principles that would normally take manual adjustment. The brand kit feature is particularly valuable if you're working with multiple clients or projects. You can save different brand identities and switch between them instantly. This means you're not rebuilding color palettes or searching for logo files with every new design. Now, folks, we're moving to creating a complete marketing report using the AI Infographic Generator. An infographic is a visual way to present information where text and images work together to quickly convey the essence. We start from the tool's landing page, and we see there's an infographics tool. We click it and enter this prompt, so the artificial intelligence understands the structure of our future document. I click Generate, and the design generates in the preview window. Here's the generated preview of our infographic. We move to Customize mode. Friends, to make this infographic even clearer, let's add icons. But we'll ask it to do this through the built-in icon generator, where I'll describe what I want, what types of icons to have in this infographic. And it generated these icons that I can place inside our infographic and visually improve the entire report. The icon generator is incredibly intuitive. Instead of searching through stock icon libraries, hoping to find something that matches your content, you simply describe what you need. The AI creates icons in a consistent style that match your design aesthetic. This alone eliminates hours of scouring icon libraries or paying a designer for custom visuals. What's particularly nice is how these icons integrate seamlessly with the rest of your design. They automatically adopt complementary colors from your palette, and they're sized appropriately for the layout. You're not dealing with mismatched styles or awkward scaling issues. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, another important point. These are professional tools. We are going to run an accessibility check. I launched the artificial intelligence that should automatically find problems with contrast or font size, and we can quickly fix them. We see that according to the report, the system found several color contrast issues. Mates, here's text that I didn't even see because it's hidden in the design itself. And all other tests passed review normally. There's also a need reviews marker that flags logical flow, alt text, and headings, giving us recommendations on what to improve or keep as is. Use of colors, image of text, document title, document language. Folks, this accessibility check-in is crucial for professional work. If you are creating materials for government agencies, educational institutions, healthcare organizations, or any large corporation, WCAG compliance isn't optional, it's required. And failing an accessibility audit after you have already distributed materials is both embarrassing and expensive to fix. What venngage does here is catch these issues before they become problems. The AI doesn't just flag errors, it explains why they matter. Low contrast isn't just an aesthetic issue, it means people with visual impairments literally cannot read your content. Missing alt text means screen readers can't describe your images to blind users. Friends, I'll try using the AI chat designer to ask it to fix all the fail issues that were found by the check. Here's the result. As you saw, I asked the system to automatically fix the contrast, so our report meets International Web Content Accessibility Guidelines standards. And here's the result we have. This is a very good fix. And it also says you can use a different type of color combination to make improvements. Now, our accessibility test. When we run rescan, it shows no errors in color contrast. Only those that require manual review remain. You can fix these yourself. And as you saw, folks, one click and our infographic report became perfect, professional, stylish, and accessible to everyone. Now we can export this report in any format available to us that we want. This includes PNG, PDF, PowerPoint, or even email. We can also share this infographic result with the team or create an embed code for insertion into a website's HTML code. If someone from your team did a review and said some texts need improvement, you can do this perfectly using the AI designer and the function that helps with this. This text has now been replaced, and we can do the same with the checklist, where everything gets adjusted beautifully in just the same way. That means you can completely rework the wording, the icons, and the overall design of your report until it looks exactly the way you want. The system takes care of all the corrections for you, so everything ends up clean and polished. All that's left is to download the result and enjoy it. Friends, let's talk about what actually makes this workflow practical in the real world. When you're putting together reports or infographics for clients or stakeholders, consistency is everything. That's where vengage's brand kit really shines. It lets you centralize your fonts, colors, and logos in one place and apply those brand styles to any visual with a single click. For teams, the platform offers shared templates that make life much easier. You can create branded templates for infographics, reports, or dashboards, share them with colleagues, and reuse them whenever you need. As a result, the whole team can produce content that stays perfectly on brand without constantly waiting for design approval. The collaboration tools are another huge advantage. Guys, you can invite team members to work on the same design, see updates happening in real time, and leave comments directly on specific elements. It completely removes the endless back and forth of emailing files or trying to describe changes in chat messages. And remember that accessibility checker we used? That's not just a nice feature. For organizations working with government contracts, educational institutions, or any entity that needs WCAG compliant materials, this is essential. Venngage helps you create content that's not just beautiful but actually usable by everyone. The data visualization tools are particularly powerful. Mates, you have access to dozens of chart types, interactive elements, and the ability to import data directly from spreadsheets. The AI helps you choose the right visualization for your data type, so you're not just making charts that look good, but charts that actually communicate effectively. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Venngage is all about turning information into impact. Whether you're a marketer presenting campaign results or a team lead building reports, this platform handles the design complexity for you. What we build today would normally require design software skills and hours of manual work. Instead, we described what we needed, refined it through AI chat, and got professional results that meet accessibility standards. Guys, the real value here is speed without sacrificing quality. The brand consistency tools mean everything your team creates looks cohesive, and the accessibility features ensure your content works for everyone. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.